Kraksala Agotla Town Hall, Tipra Nationalist Employee Vukakti Ingi Kasha Panda Sonsazaka, Panda Mansaka Yaksu Montri Okra, Jishnu de Burma, Revenue Minister Enchi de Burma, Bolong Montri, Mevar Kumar Jomateno Karibo, Kuboni Adong Rock, IPF in Motani Koklam Pando, Tipra Leno, the Koklam Salajaka Sukrubui, the financial IPF, Tipra Samota Bike Samuntangai, Omorunti, Koklam Salajaka.
पूरा समाज ने देवक परार न करेंगे जे स्टूडेंट दिने स्टूडेंट हम पाना खाना भी नहीं वन जुवा बुनाई वन जिने भविष्य खरच बने आंदोलन तिपरले नते वो बस प्लान खाना नहीं बागई बले के नाम सुगई टंगा नहीं बागई संकिश कर्मचारी रा पॉक्सअप लाइका जो अब नहीं बागई टीचिंग प्रोफेशनल तंगई रखना जों बेलाय खै गुरत तमारेखा बेलाय बरम माखलायका एबं नरक ब बोसोर बे बाहायगे आगगनाय बे जों मैक्सिमाम मास्टर साख्रि ख्लायनाय र इनिशिएटिभ नामाबा
त्रिपुरा जगो चिनि खुंथाय बारा र इंडिजिनस पीपल र विभिन्न एंगल र जों बसर के बसर जों त्रिपुरा बुं दङ दिस इज अ फैक्ट सिचुएशन जों चिनि equal treatment cumania cini je diu share cini mantai to mani abra jeng mania tama employee tama ni student tama krishok tama youth jon count ke fenge calm down ke fenge jeng logo je history no jeng bibhinno sarkar khaika congress raike 35 বছর जो तमाल 5 বছর रंबई सीपीएम खाइका 10 বছর प्लस 25 বছর 35 বছর तार माने टोटल 70 years 70 বছর त्रिपुरा जगह सरकार ओंखा किरो 70 বছর जे जों मानना दंमानि जों ओंना दंमानि आबो लिया ओ 70 বছর চিনি বড় বড় অনেক কিছু উন্নত মানে মানা তো মানে ডেভেলপ উন্নত মানে আমরা जों bisa baca baik deh ya baca baik जों जेखुनु जिसिनो किरिगै लासिगै जों तंगै चुगलिया we have to express our viewpoint we have to express our idea our right sin अधिकार ने बागै जों कक माखानाय तमा एमप्लॉय तमा लीडर्स तमा कृषक एवरीबॉडी जत्तनो जों दिनै दायित्व पालन माखायनाय दिनै राइट दिनै अधिकार गाव माखानाय जों साइमानाव सारा त्रिपुरा राज्योनि बर' राव स्पेशली दिनै इंडिजिनस पीपल राव दिनै अधिकार जों मानलिया आबादनि बागै त्रिपुरा राज्योआव गोबां सरकार थांनो फायं दं Telfano, Chini, basic requirement, basic need. Sing dues here, sing mana tomani, ingat tomani. Abo, Anglia, Kaisalia. This true fact. Ons fact to kotana. Sing Simon Chin employee ro. Boroni, Niomote, Boroni the pride po. Abu man yang tong. Abu जों साइमानो gas spending itu omai klai kebang macam ni jadi share abu जों mania जों bahag manai आरो बिसिङाव चिनि बिसिङाव चिनि कंथाइ बारान बिसिङाव जों थामसाकरै जों जाबजागिया आबा एक चिनि प्रब्लेम चिनि ड्रबैक जों एकयभाबे जों बासामाया जों कक थानसाखोरै याब्रै थानसाखोरै that also one kind of जोंनि बिसिङाव प्रब्लेम जों फाइट खालामनो थांथानायाव जों दुरबल नङा we cannot work together we cannot fight together अमा सिसेजोनो गुबुन दफा बर' जोंनो थोंगै दङ बर' because जोंनि बिसोरजों थानसाखोरै for a small reason सिखनसे बेपारनो तै जों बर' सेन्देमा नाङै थाङो एको थांलाय बेसों for a small matter जे बेतानो जों इगनोर खालामनो सुत' सुत' गथना तै जों बर' जों थानसांलाय बेया that is a great problem जोंनि समाजाव जोंनि दफागो अबाखै जोंनि बिराद प्रब्लेम बोरै बागै जों जे डिप्राइभ दंमोन जोंनो दिनै अधिकार मायन दंमोन अबाखै जोंनि बिसिङाव बेलाय प्रब्लेम दङै दं आंखागौ दिनै दिन गाहाम सफाय दङ the happy day is coming ahead तामलिबाव इनके जोंनि बर' ताबक तोरक खायै जों बुजिखा सायमाखा जतनो बुक्तबो ओंखा कम बेस जतनो जों साफारार तमा एमप्लय तमा स्टुडेन्ट तमा कृषक तमा साधारण बर' जों जतनो साफारार आबा जों सायमाखा ताइबो जों सायमाखा जिनि जे मान थाइनो जिनि अधिकार न जों माननाय बागै हिंखे जों एकमात्र ते कुनु लामा करै एकमात्र थानसा जों नांगौ इउनिटि जों नांगौ अबनो जों बर' तोरक रियलाइज खालायखा सायमाखा आं बिहेसके दिनाव जागो आसे जे गोबां कर्मचारि फैमाने शुधु सरकारनि बाङै फैया ट्रान्सफारनि बाङै फैया प्रमोशन बाङै फैया आसे बर' दिन हामजागै दफानो हामजागै जातिनो हामजागै दिन हा रखाखायनो बागै फायबायगौ दिन बिदिनो बुलबोचेनाय
Very encouraging to see such a large gathering of our indigenous people, of our Tiprasa under one umbrella, the Tipra Nationalist Employees Association. Actually, I was not meant to come here. I was on my way to Korbuk with the minister, Mevar. He insisted that I should come. And I'm here now. And I'm happy that I'm here, that I could meet you, talk to you, see you all. The mandate, or in Hindi you may say, Jana Adesh, the Adesh or the order of the people of Tripura, is that IPFT and BJP should form the government together. And when we see the numbers of MLAs that were elected to the electoral process of 2018, it is amply clear, or rather crystal clear, that this government has the whole support of the indigenous people of this state. I think Mr. N.C. Deparma will know better than me. I think this is the first time in the history of Tripura that the Ganamukti Parishad and the CPM have been reduced to 2 seats, 2 ST seats. In the last elections of 2013, they had 19 MLAs. And today, they are reduced to 2 seats. While the IPFT BJP alliance, from 0, we have grown to 18 seats. That is the mandate, the order of the people, the Adesh of the people. I agree that we are 2 parties, IPFT and BJP. We have come together We have come together on understanding that the indigenous people of the state not only require development and speedy development, they also require their rights. We agree, both parties agree, that during successive CPM misrule, the Tipra people or the indigenous people of this state have remained deprived and neglected. We agree that the ADC must be strong to make our society strong. So there are very many parameters where we agree. And there may be some points in which we may disagree. Since we are both separate parties, IPFT has not merged into BJP, neither BJP has merged into IPFT, so there will be differences. There are differences in a family also. All your children may not have the same views on the same thing. So in the days to come, it is most important to work together. It is very important to stand together, to work together, to be able to achieve for what the people have voted us. If we don't stand together and work together, we will betray the mandate of the people. And we cannot afford to do that. History will not forgive us. History will not forgive us if we betray the mandate of the people. If we betray the Janadesh. After decades of being deprived, of being insulted, of being neglected, the people have made their voice clear. Let there be change. And it is upon us that we must bring this change. We must bring this change into the life of every Tiprasa. We must bring change into the life of the youth who are jobless, who are dropout. We must bring change into the life of the juniors. We must bring change into the life of our women folk who toil hard night and day. And to bring that change, this BJP IPFT government has to work together. Leaving aside disagreements,